Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Brother GX6750 on the bench that was dropped, and it has separated itself here, and some parts flew out of it, and the space bar is all cocky. So I've already taken the two screws out to get the case off. That's here and here. So this case should snap off here pretty easy. Let's see if I can get it to. There's a small release in here. Get it snapped off. Alright, let's snap the back off here. There it goes. And we just manipulate this off. So it's probably got some broken tabs up here. It doesn't look too bad. That one's good. That one's good. Okay, that's a good sign. Means we can reuse this pretty easily. So the keyboard is out of position here, so it should be down on these brackets right there. Like that. So, but the spacebar is still crooked. So there's something. There's a. That's probably what fell out of it. There's a rod in here that. Oh, it's still there. There's a piece of metal in here that runs the length of the bar. Right there. It's just out of place. So that's a little tricky to. See if I can just take this off here. There we go. So there's that little balance bar right here, and that's got to go into these little brackets right there, which are still there. Usually those break when this happens. So okay, so that's kind of the way it goes right there, but it was, of course, way out of whack. So if I can get this, it's going to be virtually impossible to show on camera. But there's a way to get those pieces back in place, and it's just a matter of manipulation of that steel piece, and it's got to go into those black pieces, and then it's got to be pushed down tight. So let's see if I can get these into position, and then you pull these toward you. There we go, maybe. And down. Oh, look at that. So that balances it out, so you can push on this side or that side. Well, I'm not taking it back apart to show what happened there, but I got it the first time, which is highly unusual for me to. Usually I fight with that for 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, so that's good, and this is back in order. Let's see if the carrier's moving freely here. I think it is. This thing's dirty though. There's big old dust bunnies in here. And it looks like the motor's back here is crooked, but that doesn't look very good. No, it's not. So this bracket right here is supposed to be in that groove right there. So it probably got jolted out right there. Just like that. There we go. So that didn't break, it just got jolted out. Everything else looks, so far looks right. Okay, let's plug it in and try it. maybe we'll be able to get this one going. Looks good so far. I think she's working. There's no correction ribbon in it, so. Yeah, that's probably what I dislike most about this particular model's brother is the hesitation that it has between when you press the keys, keyboard keys. Actual print action is a little delayed, and it's not with each character is a little different. What I notice is that print wheel doesn't spin as fast as the commercial grade model, so it has to spin, and that takes a fraction of a second. Okay, cap lock is working, so everything is working down here. I think we got it. Not too bad for getting dropped on the floor. Alright, big Typewriter. Good day.